Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which uses OpenCV and Numpy package to crop images into different shapes such as circular, triangle and ellipse. So let me take a very simple example. So we take this input image which is present in my working directory. So we have this simple image, and if I apply this Python script, so what will happen? It will actually create output directory, and then you will see output slash shapes. So it will crop this image into circular, ellipse. This is a circular one. This is ellipse. This is the rectangle crop and triangle crop. So it will crop this image into multiple different shapes using this Python script. You can modify the script to actually match the coordinates as well. So different images will yield different results. So once again, if I take a different image, for example, so again it will actually crop, as you can see. It will crop this image into multiple shapes. So this is a script. I've given this script in the description of the video. So first of all guys, you need to install some modules for this. So just go to this website and just install first of all Numpy package, which is actually a fundamental package inside Python for computing. Then we also need to install the package which will be, I think, yeah, OpenCV, which is again a very popular package inside Python. So install this as well. So after that, we simply create the script. So let me just show you step by step how the script is created. So first of all, we just import all the packages which are necessary, which is your OpenCV package, the Numpy package, and then the operating system package. So here we simply load the input image by the OpenCV method ImageRead. So yeah, our images is present inside. After we load the input image, we simply specify the height and the width. So we use this image shape. Then we specify the output folder where all the images will be created. So then we specify or make these directories by the operating system module, and then we apply these three shapes. So first shape will be the circular mask. So we'll mask this image into a circular shape. So this is actually the code for this. So we use the Numpy library. We draw the circle using OpenCV, save the result as circles crop.png. Then we do the same thing for triangle as well. This will actually crop the image into a triangle shape. So this computing is done by Numpy library. You can see all these functions, and then we crop this into triangle crop.png. And lastly, we do this for rectangle cropping. So all these methods are there inside Numpy. Then we apply the rectangle method of OpenCV and crop this image into the form of rectangle. And lastly, we do this for ellipse, which is again a different shape. Again, we call this method cv2.ellipse and Numpy for computing. And lastly, we draw this or print out that all the shapes are cropped and saved to this output folder. So once again, if I run this script now, all the script is given in the description of the video. So it will create an output shapes folder where all the shapes will be there. So you can see that different shapes will be there. So thank you very much guys for watching this video, and please visit on my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.